In this video, we're going to be explaining how to make elements stretch to fill containers. Let's have a look at this marketing page that we can see. So if I scroll down here, what we can see on this page is we have a number of testimonials from our customers, and each of these testimonials vary in length, and we can see really clearly that they vary in length because of these boxes that surround these testimonials are all of a differing size. Now, personally, I don't really like the way that this looks because this box is the longest, this is the next longest, and then this one is a lot smaller than the testimonials to either side. What I actually want to do, and what I think might look better, is to have each of these testimonial boxes to be of the exact same size. So how can we do that? What I'll do is I'll jump over to my editor, and we have this reviews section right here. So what I want to do is I actually want to click on this group. So this is the group which is showing us that light gray border that we have here. And what I want to do is I want to change the vertical alignment of this group. So right now it's sitting on top aligned. And what I want to do is I want to select vertical stretch. Now this vertical alignment option appears for a child element if the parent container type is a row. So because the parent container type is a row, we have this vertical stretch option. And what this does is it makes the element stretch to fill the container. So it will fill all of the vertical space inside the container. So let's have a quick preview of what this looks like. So as you can see here, now within this row group, the child elements of these groups have now stretched to fill out the entire container. So now all of our testimonial cards are of the same size, and in my opinion it looks better and all of the information is aligned.